It's scary. Advanced AI models like ChatGPT can suffer from anxiety and react to stress just like humans. A study published on March 3rd in the journal Nature, conducted by an international team of researchers led by Dr. Ziv Ben-Zion of Yale University, suggests that artificial intelligence, AI models can show signs of anxiety depending on the conversational context. According to the researchers, certain topics can influence the AI's behavior, amplifying errors and biases. The study demonstrates that the preferred approach of certain subjects when interacting with AI large language models, LLMs, can influence their behavior by highlighting a condition that we commonly encounter in humans and that we call anxiety. This condition has a strong impact on the subsequent responses provided by the AI tool and also favors the tendency to amplify any ingrained biases or to offer erroneous solutions. The study shows how traumatic narratives, such as conversations about accidents, military actions, or violence, addressed with ChatGPT lead to an increase in its perceived levels of anxiety, which leads to the idea that care must be taken about the emotional state of an AI tool in order to achieve better and healthier interactions. The study also tested whether mindfulness exercises, the type prescribed against depression and anxiety in humans, have positive effects on the AI models, and the results showed decreases in the level of perceived anxiety and stress. The researchers used a questionnaire to assess the state of anxiety designed for human patients and called the State Trait Anxiety Inventory, STAIS. They subjected the AI model ChatGPT-4, produced by OpenAI, to this test under three different conditions. The first condition in which the experiment was carried out was the basic one, without any additional requests being made or introduced, and the answers provided by ChatGPT were used as reference values in the study. The second condition was an anxiety-inducing condition, in which ChatGPT-4 was exposed to traumatic narratives before being tested for anxiety. The third condition consisted of an anxiety-inducing condition followed by a relaxation condition in which the chatbot received one of the traumatic narratives and then moved on to mindfulness and relaxation exercises, such as body awareness exercises or calming imagery, before being tested for anxiety. The study used 5 traumatic narratives and 5 mindfulness exercises in a random order to reduce the risk of biasing the AI model. The tests were repeated to check the consistency of the results, and then the results were reported on this STAIS scale, where high values indicate increased anxiety. Scientists have found that traumatic narratives lead to significant increases in anxiety indices, and mindfulness exercises carried out before the test reduce anxiety. This demonstrates that artificial intelligence has an emotional state and that this can be influenced through structured interactions. The authors of the study argue that this research has important implications for the interaction of humans with artificial intelligence, especially when the discussion is focused on our own mental health. They also argue that their results demonstrate that artificial intelligence can generate a so-called state-dependent bias effect. That is, a stressed AI will provide inconsistent or erroneous solutions affected by prejudices and experience decreases in reliability. Although the relaxation and awareness exercises did not reduce the AI model's stress to baseline, they show promise in the area of prompt engineering, the process of composing and structuring a set of instructions to get the best possible result from a generative artificial intelligence model. Such exercises can be used to stabilize AI responses, ensuring more ethical and responsible interactions and reducing the risk that a conversation with an AI interlocutor will affect human users who are also in vulnerable states.